Hey guys, Phil Spencer, Le Cuisinier de Ménage, and today we're going to make a mango papaya hot pepper salsa. I had to look at it, I couldn't quite know. Anyway, it's a perfect summer dish because the freshness of the fruit and the spice of the jalapeno and serrano peppers and some cilantro just makes it a perfect summer dish. It's perfect for grilled fish, baked fish, barbecued fish. Same goes with chicken. Take one bite and you go, it's summer. And I just cook the protein with salt and pepper, and then I just let this salsa do the rest, and it just totally completes a dish, and I think you're gonna really like it. So let's get started. So what I've done is I've cut off the bottom to give me some stability here to work with. And when you're looking at a mango, there's a thick side and a thin side. You can see this thin side. And the seed is going to be right there in the middle. So you want to cut just off center. Like here's the thick part here. So we're going to want to cut right about there. And that'll give us the best part of the fruit. And if your knife starts hitting the seed, just pull back and redo. So here we go. I'll just do it again from right about here, I think. See, I hit the seed right there, so I need to go a little further. Nice. And flip it around, cut the other side. And later on, I'm also going to cut the other edges off too. I'm not going to show that in this video portion. And what we're going to do is just cut a few lines in here, cross-hatched. And it's slippery. So just cutting some lines in there, do the cross hatching, and then pop your thumb underneath and flip it inside out. And just push it up. Well, I guess I'll use my fingers. And then use your thumbs to pop off all the diced pieces, and do the same with the other part of the mango. Now with the papaya cut in half, we're only going to use about a quarter of this papaya, but you need to remove all the seeds. I just use a regular little spoon, take all those out, and then just a nice regular knife slices easily through this papaya. And then just dice it up. Only going to use about half of that half, or a quarter of a papaya. So here I have that half of a jalapeno, and it's the amount of seeds you leave in is how spicy it's going to be, and I'm going to leave it with about like that. That'll give it just a little bit of heat, and then I just de-seed it, clean it up, and slice and dice. And here's the Serrano chili, and this one's much hotter than the jalapeno, at least I think. And anyway, also be careful not to touch your eyes and stuff after you've been slicing and dicing this stuff. You get a nice little burn. Credit to Gordon Ramsay on this one, but yeah, you just cut off the stem of the red pepper, turn it upside down so you have a nice stable base, and you can just slice around all those seeds. I really found that to be a really great technique, and I've adopted it. So we're going to use half of this red bell pepper, and then just slice and dice as well, and add it to the bowl. Here we're going to add about a tablespoon and a half of pineapple. I cheated. I didn't go get a full pineapple from the store. I just used some canned. But slice it up, dice it up, put it in the bowl. Here is 2/3 to 3/4 of a cup of what will be finely chopped cilantro, and we'll add that to the bowl. And this is from my very own herb garden.
And here's that little bit of onion, about a tablespoon or so, that will go in back into the bowl. And then I'm just going to take this lemon, cut it in half, and I'll use a little strainer so that we don't get any of the seeds in, and I'll also use a fork to help get all the juice out. And that's all the ingredients, and now I just mix it all together. Put it in the fridge for about an hour before serving. Nice, dropped a piece. Put it in the fridge for about an hour to chill before serving, and you can put it on top of everything. Tonight, I believe it's going to be some fish tacos. We're going to do some mahi-mahi, blackened mahi-mahi fish tacos tonight, so see how that goes with it. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you try this, and I think you'll really, really like it. That's all for now.